Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.
These two policies, and the third one I will show you the how to deploy in the AWS. One this will I will try. I have not tried my lab, but previously I did 2 years back. And this one, yeah, many times I have configured service VPN prefer ISP policy. Okay, and tomorrow I will cover this days, and 10th day I will just reserve for any issue with the lab, or you can perform the lab. I will resolve that one. So anybody have any query related to your labs that you have tried to achieve, and is there any error issue, or should I continue? Okay, and I will take as a no. I will start. So on that day somebody was asking that some troubleshooting things, that how you can troubleshoot. So to show that one, I will refer this vmanage. So here you can see that in my topology only this branch 1 and DC device is only on, other 3 devices are off. So here you can see that these are down, right? Not able to see here. So those troubleshooting you can do, like check with power connectivity at site, cable connections, right? But if you have seen some partial connection, let me on this. So it should show us some partial connection. Partial means ideally this device should have two control connection up, one from this path MPLS and another from this TLO extension which we did for the internet. So ideally it should have two, but it will show us only one, and in vmanage it will show us some partial. So that troubleshooting you can check. We can wait for the system ready pop up. Okay, I got it. Okay, so here if you will see show control connections, type tab. Okay, still it is trying to create. Okay, so here you can see that only MPLS is participating on this one. Ideally it should have the from the internet also. So if I will go to the vmanage and let me refresh. So here you can see the vbond is still this IP showing in connect states. It is not in up state. So in vmanage it should show us some partial connectivity. Yeah, here you can see partially showing 1. Okay, so if you will see that on partial connection, it will show you this device VH1 branch 2. That's how you can troubleshoot. You will go to that site through SSH. You can log in on that day I told you through SSH. Here you can log in, or either you can directly check for that device. I will go to network, go to VH1 branch 2. Okay, control connection. So you can see only with MPLS.
Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.